Peter and Jeffrey were arguing what they should do today.
Hey Peter, what should we do today?
I want to play football.
No, how about soccer?
No, definitely football.
You know, I much rather play soccer.
You'll be playing football.
Soccer!
Football!
Soccer!
Oh yeah. And, then Maggie walks in and hears what they're arguing what they should do today.
What are you two arguing about that?
I want to play football. If Jeffrey were a real friend, he'll be playing football with me.
And if Peter were your friend, he'll play soccer with me, because that's what I want to do.
You're both wrong. Don't you remember the story about Jonathan and David? They were friends to the thick and thin. It didn't matter what one wanted to do or what the other one think the other one wanted to do. It's called love.
So even when Peter doesn't want to play soccer with me, he's still my friend?
Yes,
And even when Jeffrey won't play football with me, he's still my friend?
that's right,
You know, we don't have to play football.
We don't have to play soccer.
No, we don't have to play football.
I insist, we don't have to play soccer.
After 2 generations of arguing, Jeffrey and Peter's son decided to compromise and play lacrosse.